This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're looking after Grandma's dog. Come on. Dog day. Mossy! Mossy! When we look after Grandma's dog Mossy, we feed her and play with her. And take her for walks. Here you go, Mossy. A nice drink for you. Oh, Mossy, look, Mossy.
Always super wash your hands, please, Tim, after touching Mossy's bowl.
Okay. Soon it'll be time for your walk, won't it, Mossy? Let's go and find your bowl. Come on, Mossy. Come on. I'll get it. That'll be Tony.
Wait for me, Tim, before you open the front door.
Catch. Look, me. Mummy, it is Tony Welch.
OK, Tim, you can open the door for Tony. Hello.
Hello. Tony's mummy has to go to the doctor's. So Tony is staying to play. Mossy!
Come back about 5-ish, is that OK? Great. See you later.
Mossy! I love you, Mossy! Mossy! Hey! Mossy! 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 I think Mossy really likes me. Tony, look. She's very clever. When I roll the ball to her, she rolls it back again. Show me! Mossy! 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 Push it. Wow! 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 Clever girl, Mossy. I love you, Mossy. She's so clever. Let's give Mossy a nice treat for being such a clever girl. I think she deserves one. Yes. Wait for me. Come on. Can we give Mossy a treat, please?
Yes, go ahead. She's been a good dog. Yep, they're down there. Good girl. Mossy knows where they are.
Ask Mossy if she wants a treat. Do you want a treat, Mossy? Yes? No? Sit. Sit, Mossy. Sit. Take. Good girl, Mossy. Can I give Mossy a doggy treat? No, sorry, you can't, Tony. You see, Grandma says that she can only have one treat at a time. No more, all gone.
Well done, Tim. Now, can you double super wash your hands for me, please?
Okay. I'm going to go and wash my hands upstairs, Mummy. Okay. Come on, Mossy.
Good girl.
Is it time to take Mossy out for her walk now, Mummy?
Yes, it is.
Can I hold Mossy's lead today? Please, Mrs. O'Dell.
Yes, you can take it in turns to hold the lead. Now, let's get ready to go out. Come on.
Good girl, Mossy. Stay. Sometimes, when Mossy's a little bit naughty,
Mossy, you little scamp.
We know it's definitely time for her walk.
I'm going to have to throw this toilet roll away now. Hurry up, please, Topsy, before Mossy does anything else silly.
Okay, Mummy. Scampy Lampy.
Oh, Mossy, you need a walk.
Oh, Mossy, no pulling. Hurry up, Topsy. I think Mossy needs a wee.
Now, Tim, remember, keep your finger on that button to stop Mossy's lead getting any longer so she can't go any further away, OK?
Okay. Let's get her to her favourite bit of hedge, quickly.
Yeah.
Topsy! Trying to find Mossy's ball.
Yeah, Topsy, I think the ball's underneath the sofa.
Thanks, Mummy.
Now, Tim, have you remembered the poo bags that Grandma Jean brought round?
Oh, no. Sorry, I'll get them.
OK.
Can I hold Mossy's lead, please?
Oh, yes, you can. Hold that for me. I'll just get the phone. I'll be back in a moment. Look after Mossy.
This is a great lead, Mossy.
Hello? Oh, Jean. Yes. Yeah, no, Mossy's fine. We're just about to take her for her afternoon walk.
Uh-oh! Come back, Mossy!
No, it's fine. Don't worry. We'll see you later. OK, bye.
Got it. Was that Grandma, Mummy?
Yes, it was. Just to remind us about Mossy's walk. Come on, let's get going.
I found the poo bags. Can someone help me with Mossy's lead, please? Coming, Tony! Where's Mossy? She's on Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick's lawn. No, Mossy, no! Mummy, I think Mossy's done something on Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick's front lawn.
Mossy!
She has. She's done a poo.
Look, children, I'll sort this out. You stay here. Poo bag, please, Tim.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll be right back. So sorry.
Don't worry about it. It's perfectly natural. Don't worry, honestly.
Hello, Mr. Fishwick.
Ah!
Oh, Mr. Fishwick, sorry about Mossy.
Ah, yes, Mossy. Go on.
See you later. Go on, Mossy, good girl.
Mr. Fishwick is always really kind to Mossy, isn't he? And that's when Tony said, I wonder what your new neighbours will be like. I wonder what your new neighbours will be like, Topsy and Tim. Like Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick, I hope. Me too. Me too.
Excuse me, in we come. Come on in, Mossy. Excuse me. Thank you. There we go. Come on, Mossy. Let go of her, Topsy, sweet. Oh, good girl. Come on, Mossy. There we go. Good girl.
Mummy, will our new neighbours be just as kind to Mossy? Like Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick are?
Yes, I should think so. Now, I need to wash my hands and then we can go for walkies. But I'm holding on to the lead this time.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we looked after Grandma's dog, Mossy. But can you remember what Mossy took from the bathroom? Was it a toothbrush? Or was it a toilet roll? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a toilet roll. Watch this. Good girl, Mossy. Stay. No, Mossy! Mossy, come back! No, Mossy! Uh-oh. Mum! Sometimes, when Mossy's a little bit naughty.
Oh, Mossy, you little scamp.
We know it's definitely time for her walk.
I'm going to have to throw this toilet roll away now. Hurry up, please, Topsy, before Mossy does anything else silly.
OK, Mummy. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.